Welcome to Photoshop Quick and Easy Tips to level up your design skills. Photoshop Tutorial, Beginner Series, Episode 7, Using the Brush Tool. Ready to add some creative flair? In this lesson, we'll use the Brush Tool, perfect for painting, shading, or adding texture. Press B to activate the Brush Tool, or click the brush icon on the left. You'll see a circle. That's your brush tip. Use the bracket keys to make it smaller or bigger. At the top bar, you can change the brush type, hardness, and opacity. Want a soft airbrush effect? Lower the hardness. To choose a color, click the foreground color box at the bottom of the toolbar. Pro tip, go to Window greater than Brushes to explore cool brush presets. You can also download custom brushes online for creative effects. Brush like a pro. Next episode, we'll dive into basic photo corrections using brightness, contrast, and hue saturation. Disclaimer, I'm not a Photoshop expert or certified instructor. All tutorials in this channel are based on my personal experience, learning, and practice. I share these tips to help fellow beginners like me. Please feel free to explore more and use what works best for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.